So, for our last pirate book today, we are going to be reading Polly Parrot Picks a Pirate. And this is written by Peter Bentley and illustrated by Penny Dan. Alright, so Polly Parrot Picks a Pirate. Here's the title page. Polly the Parrot was sick of her tree. Same old branches and leaves, same old nothing to see. Same cheeky chimps with their same cheeky tricks. I am fed up of living out here in the sticks. She squawked, "It's a life in the ocean for me. I'll find a pet pirate and sail off to sea. I'll find one who's clever and dashing and brave, who's handsome and clean, and who won't misbehave." So off fluttered Polly that same day to the inn in the harbor at Buccaneer Bay. There sat the pirates with all of their crews. Now, Polly wondered, which one shall I choose? Bartholomew Blood appeared smart at first sight, but sadly for Polly, he wasn't too bright. "I can't find my treasure," he said with a frown. "You noodle," squawked Polly, "your map is upside down." "Oh dear," Polly sighed, "but I won't give up yet. I'm sure I can find a much clever pet." Phineas Mudd seems a fine, fearless sort, but was really the clumsiest pirate in port. He swung from the rigging with daring and dash, then slipped on a barrel, and crash, and kersplash! "Oh dear," Polly sighed, "but I won't give up yet. I'm sure I can find a less bumbling pet." Bumbling means like clumsy or someone who falls down a lot. Do you see what Peter Bentley does? He does the same things that you do. He uses all capital letters, and he has some bolded. The capital letters are bolded too. That's an author trick that you can use when you're writing your books. Crazy Kit Cutlass looked fearsome and brave, till he ran with a screech from the smuggler's cave. As Crazy Crit trembled in terror beside her, Polly peeped and discovered a spider. "Oh dear," Polly sighed, "but I won't give up yet. I'm sure I can find a less cowardly pet." She searched the whole harbor. She flew all around, but the perfect pet pirate just couldn't be found. Gentleman Ned was too fond of his clothes. Two-Toothed Trelawney kept picking his nose. Mad Dog Domingo wore stockings that stank. And Jack Salamander kept walking the plank. Sighed Polly. "I can't find a pirate for me, so it looks like I'll just have to go back to my tree." She was heading home when she heard a man say, "There's a big pirate battle in Buccaneer Bay. Redbeard is fighting with old Pegleg Pete. They're the very best pirates in all of the fleet." A fleet is like a crew or a group. At last, Polly thought as she turned for the sea. They sound like the perfect pirates for me. Smash went the pirates, and wallop and crunch. They fought all day long, with a short break for lunch. Surrender, cried Pegleg, but Redbeard roared, never! Surrender yourself, I'm the best pirate ever. Redbeard and Pegleg were in the right strop. They battled and bashed until Polly squawked, stop! The way this is going, there won't be a winner, except for the sharks who will have pirates for dinner. Why don't you stop fighting and simply agree that you're both the best pirates who sail the whole sea? Then Polly looked closely and saw a strange thing. That massive red beard, was it tied on with a string? She tugged at the beard, and it fell in the sea. Great galleons! gasped Pegleg. Old Redbeard's Oh no, what do you think Redbeard is? So it says, great galleons, gasped Pegleg. Old Redbeard's she! Do you know, chuckled Redbeard, that this parrot is right? There's really no need to continue the fight. Why don't we just join forces, said Pegleg. With pleasure. Double the pirates means double the treasure. Pegleg and Redbeard were married that night. They danced around the mast and forgot their old fight. Hooray! Polly cried. What a fabulous do. I wanted one pirate and now I've got two. They're clever and dashing and fearless and brave, but I might have to check that they don't misbehave. So with her new pets, Polly sailed off to sea, and she thought, it's life on the ocean for me. As she turned to her tree for one last farewell glimpse, she laughed. Now I'm finally free of those chimps. And that is the end. So, I hope you enjoyed that book. That one was Polly, Parrot Picks a Pirate. All right, I will see you soon, okay, kindergartners?